All right, welcome everyone. As you can see, if you didn't stick around to the end, I did stick this on the end of the last video, putting that last piece in. Anyway, that's where we're at. Gonna start assembling some pieces to it now. So this is step 16. So we need B5, B5, B5. There you are. Trying to see over there. Looks like they're showing both assemblies here. So okay, yeah. See, they've broken it down so you don't have excess pieces laying around, which makes sense. B6 times 2. Oh, no, that's right. Okay. Okay, B6. I was running the whole B6, B9 situation there because they printed this one upside down. Then B7. I think I'm going to pull all the pieces and keep them all separated just so I don't have to go through this process again. Then B8 times 2. B9 times 5. Where's B9? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B10 and B14. B14. There we go. B10. All right. So this is, call this step 16A. Do the sanding on it first before I start pulling for 16B. This is probably going to take a minute, but maybe not too many minutes. Gotta love my commentary, right? That's something I'm bad about. I concentrate on something and I forget about other things like talking, being engaging. I'm not going to go as far as to say I'm entertaining, but I do this one. Looks like I did this mistake. Alright, so I'm gonna stack these over on this side. And pull the parts for 16B. What I'm gonna be calling that one. So B5. That was this one. B6 times 2. Oops. B8 times 2. think this should just be the mirror image of the other one. Be 9 times 5. And I just looked at my battery meter, so I probably will have to make this into 2, well, not 2 videos, but 2 sessions. And 13, 14, and 15. 13, 14, 15. Alright. 15. And still got, it's like down to the last 2 pieces on B. We have cleared A and C, by the way. I don't know. It always feels nice to accomplish getting one of those forms emptied out. Makes good kindling if you've got a fireplace. They burn fast and hot. Not quite as bad as cardboard, but it's good to start a fire with, but it's not going to warm up your house either. Alright, cool. I'm hoping I can finish this part up at least before the battery dies on me, so I can just set up for the next piece with a new battery. Don't have to worry about it. I think I have also decided that I'm probably going to... I said I was going to try and stitch all the pieces together to make one large video as far as assembling this one. I think I'm going to do it into 2 videos, like basically step 1 to 16 and then 17 to 32. Just because basically it's taking up too much space on my computer. But I do intend to, intend to consolidate these. I'm going to take off this part where I'm sanding. It'll just be strictly the assembly part. Is my plan at this moment. Try and stitch all together just the good stuff. Alright, got that done. So I'm going to stack this up over on this side. Not neatly, but somewhat consolidate, make sure I don't mix and match. And I'm going to go swap out my batteries, and I'll null this out so when it starts off we'll just be have it in order on the next step. But I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's see, that's everything for this step, so let's see if I can arrange them in order. So I think B5 and a B6. You go the larger part down. You're supposed to go right on there. Okay, should have sanded that better. And B7, you have you through there. Ooh, that's a horrible sound. And B8 with the dots to the side. Okay, that was better. Okay, there's... Oh, wait a second. Something's not right there. I'm supposed to be able to go... What's going on there? Okay, I see what I've done. Okay. Didn't get all the way done with it this time. It has to be the big part down and the hole is offset. So Got to make sure these holes line up, because that won't work. All right, so try that again. Yeah. There we go. And little holes to the outside, and let's say now we got clear space all the way through. That's what you want to make sure and get. Then the B9 times 5 goes that to the. Okay, try mashing it down like this. Okay, seemed a little better. Four. And 5. Okay. Then B10. Likewise. And I've still got holes still clear, so you can still see through there. And then make sure these all match up. Let's mash them down. Okay. And another B8. And a B6 again. I got, yep. Let's see, probably not showing, but there you go. Holes all the way through there. And we take this doodad with the decoration to the outside, and it should just, let's see, sort of mush in there. All right. That went pretty good. 4 minutes to assemble that piece. I can dig it. Now, okay, it says go ahead and put it on. So this one goes. Where are you going? It's going these slots. All right, that went easy. I'm glad. Now let's do one that I haven't knolled out. See if I can find all the right pieces. Got you. B6 and goes the opposite way this time. Because they're going to be on the other side, so the outside is over there. Okay. B7, that's 13, 15, what's it? Oops, wrong screen. Wrong picture, I mean. B13 is what I want. Yeah. You go. Yeah, that'll line up. Yep. B8. This. Yeah, okay, I guess that's right. Then our B9 times 5ers again. Two. 3. 4. 5. 15. Make sure you're lined up properly again. Nope. Okay. Like that. Yeah. And V8 and V6. And this guy, again with snug in there. All right, and then here. That actually sits lower. No, yeah. No, it doesn't. It's got a different mounting bracket or something. Probably need clearance in the middle for some future addition to it. Maybe the cattle catcher or something. All right. I think that's the end of step 16. I'm going to double check. Yeah, that is the end of step 16. I think that looks pretty good. Nice addition to the front. Getting real structure in there now. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.